In the last video, we saw an example of if block using Java. This is the same example implemented in C++. All the four decision making statements have same syntax for both Java as well as C++ programming language. The only difference being the skeleton of the program and how the print statement is executed. So here we have declared two variables n1 and n2, a print statement outside if specifying hello world, a print statement inside if block hello from if block, and in the end we have end of the program. Let us have a look at if else. So we have declared a class in Java named if else and we have a main method. Let us declare two variables of type int n1 equals to 33 and n2 equals to 44. Now here the aim of our program is to find larger number out of two number and print the value of that number. So in order to implement, the logic required is implemented using if else. So first we have if keyword and a condition. We will check n1 greater than n2. If this condition is true, we will print out the value of n1 as per the condition. This n1's value would be greater than that of n2, and if this condition simplifies to true, that means n1 is larger than n2. So we display an appropriate message that larger number is plus n1, and we have another else block having print statement system.out.println larger number is plus n2. In case of else, we have assumed the larger number is n2, as if n1 is not greater than n2, then it is obvious that n2 would be larger than n1. So let us compile this code using JavaC compiler and then interpret it using Java interpreter. So based on the declaration, we know that n2 is the larger number. First it will check the condition n1 greater than n2. 33 greater than 44 simplifies to false. Therefore if block is not executed and it directly jumps to the else block and displays the output as larger number is n2, which is 44. So we get output message larger number is 44. So this was the working of if else block. If I change the operator to less than, then this program would have the logic for find the smaller out of the two numbers. Let us compile it again and reinterpret it. We get output larger number is 33. We should change the message to right smaller number is, and again we'll change message here smaller number is. So this time we will get message as smaller number is 33.